So there are many stories, there are many examples in the Quran, my brothers and my sisters, of the prophets who went through hardships and difficulties. Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam, the Imam of Tawheed. The man, my brothers and my sisters, who smashed the idols, who called to Tawheed, fulfilled the message in the best way possible. And even then, he begs Allah, وَاجْنُبْنِي وَبَنِيَّ أَن نَعْبُدَ الْأَصْنَامِ. Oh Allah, prevent me and also my offspring from falling into associating partners with you, worshipping idols. This is a man of such caliber, my brothers and my sisters, right? Despite him having passed all of the tests, he's begging Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to keep him firm. Where do me and you stand, my brothers and my sisters? Right? The trials after trials, he had to leave his beloved wife, Hajar alayhi salatu wassalam, and his son in the middle of nowhere. Many of us have been to Mecca, right? You can see how lit the place is. He's leaving his wife and his son in the middle of nowhere. There were no lights, right? There were no walls. It was just the Kaaba there, in the middle of nowhere. Inni askantu min dhurriyyati biwadin ghayri dhi zara'. Right? Nothing, my brothers and my sisters. Allah instructed him, no ifs and no buts. And he begins to walk away. Right? He begins to walk away. His wife, Hajar, she comes running behind him and she says, Allahu amaraka bihadha. Did Allah Azza wa Jal instruct you with that? He said, yes. You know what her response was? If that is the case, Allah will never forsake us. Allah will never desert us, right? When you feel like, my brothers and my sisters, no light at the end of the tunnel, Allah will never forsake us. My brothers and my sisters, what did this lead to? Her good opinion, her good thought of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? Zamzam came out from beneath her. The people started visiting Mecca. The Kaaba, right, is not just her anymore. Up until this very day, whenever we go to Safa and Marwa, after having finished doing the circumambulation around the Kaaba, we remember Hajar, right? When she was running from Safa and Marwa, she would see the mirage, thinking that is water, but nothing. She did this 7 times. Can you imagine, right? A mother who's by herself with a child, running back and forth, right? And then the Zamzam springs up from beneath her, right? All of that, my brothers and my sisters, because of a good thought of Allah Azza wa Jal. It didn't stop there. From the offspring came out who? Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.